to waste such a man, such a perfect, handsome, charming god of love. God of love like me on just one single fish, just one single fish out there in the sea. When you agree, a maiden shout with glee, such a perfect, gladsome melody of love. Oh, how could it be you put a blame on me for the sweetest fruit of a poisonous tree? 'Cause all the ladies who've fallen for me all burst into flames. Oh, I never meant to hurt them. I know I'm not to blame. All the ladies who've fallen for me all burst into flames. Oh, I never meant to hurt them. I know I'm not to blame. Isn't it a shame? Now look what I became. A disheveled, drooling, bloody lump of meat. A lump of meat like me can't find arms, might beat, feeding fishes out there in the sea. 'Cause all the ladies who've fallen for me, they're all burst into flames. Oh, I never meant to hurt them. I know I'm not to blame. All the ladies who've fallen for me, they all burst into flames. Oh, I never meant to hurt them. I know I'm not to blame. And all the ladies who've fallen for me all burst into flames. Oh, I never meant to hurt them. I know I'm not to blame. All the ladies who've fallen for me all burst into flames. Oh, I never meant to hurt them. I know I'm not to blame. I feel so illiterate when I try to read your eyes. Is it real happiness? Is it sadness in disguise? I see your lips move, but I can't hear you. Neither hear you, don't understand. So I stop wondering and just smile and take your hand. Is it the right or wrong way? How can we know? And if we judge each other, how can we know? Should I listen to my heart or the voices from lover and a fool. How can you argue that I don't love you if I love you till the end? So please stop wondering and just smile and take my hand. Is it the right or wrong way? How can we know? And if we judge each other, how can we know? Should I listen to my heart or the voices from below? How can I know? How can we? How can we know? Is this the right or wrong way? How can we know? And if we judge each other, how can we know? Should I listen to my heart or the voices from below? How can I know? How can we? How can we know?
Accused of taking the cake, working hard for vile remains, trying to ignore this daily strains. For you're the master, I'm a slave, but fortune favors the brave. Every time you try to stop a chance,
living around the corner,
I want some fortune in your hands.
living around the corner,
Believe it finally reached the shore.
living around the corner.
A beauty's knocking at your door. because I lied when I was young, or it's because I teased you badly with my nasty tongue. Maybe it's because I meanly cheated to beguile, or maybe it's because I once betrayed with a smile. I thought I paid my dues licking dirty shoes, yes, I was kneeling, giving in. For you're the master, I'm a slave. But fortune favors the brave. Every time you try to snap a chance,
Slipping around the corner,
I want some fortune in your hands.
slipping around the corner,
Believe and finally reach the shore.
slipping around the corner.
A beauty's knocking at your door. Somebody tell me what's wrong, or at least what have I done? Somebody tell me what's wrong, or at least what have I done? Every time you try to snap a chance,
Slipping around the corner,
I want some fortune in your hands.
slipping around the corner,
Believe and finally reach the shore.
slipping around the corner.
A beauty's knocking at your door.